In this video, I'll guide you through how to see which jobs you applied for on Indeed. If you've been sending out a lot of applications, it can be really helpful to quickly review where you've applied, keep track of your progress, and stay organized. I'll walk you through the simple steps, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to help you get the most out of this page. First, start on your Indeed home dashboard. This is the main screen you see after signing into your account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your usual details, then you should automatically land on your personal dashboard. This page usually shows recommended roles, saved searches, and other suggestions based on your profile and activity. Once you're on the home dashboard, look toward the top of the page for the main menu. Along this top menu bar, you'll see several options. Find the one labeled My Jobs. This is the section where Indeed keeps track of the positions you've interacted with, such as jobs you've saved to look at later and jobs you've actually applied to. Click on My Jobs to open that page. After clicking My Jobs, you'll be taken to a screen that organizes your job activity into different sections. Here, you're specifically interested in the area that shows the roles you've already applied for. Look for the section labeled Applied. This tab or filter is usually clearly visible near the top of the My Jobs page, grouped alongside other categories such as Saved. Go ahead and open the Applied section. Once you click it, Indeed will filter your job activity so it only shows the positions where you've submitted an application using your account. This might include jobs you applied to directly through Indeed's Quick Apply feature, as well as some roles where you were redirected to an employer's site but still used your Indeed profile to start the application. Now, you can review the list of jobs you've applied to. On this page, you'll see each job displayed as a separate entry. Typically, each listing will show the job title, the company name, and often the location or whether it's a remote position. You may also see the date you applied and, in some cases, a basic status update, such as whether your application was viewed or if the employer is no longer accepting applications. Take your time scrolling through this list. This is a great place to double check where you've already applied so you don't accidentally send multiple applications to the same posting. You can also use this list as a reminder to follow up on roles you're particularly interested in, or to update your own notes or spreadsheet if you're tracking your job search in more detail. If you've been applying to many roles over a long period, the list might be fairly long. In that case, it can help to periodically review and mentally group the jobs by industry, role type, or location so you have a clear picture of your overall strategy. You can also revisit specific job descriptions from this page if they're still active, which is useful when preparing for interviews or tailoring your resume, and that's all there is to it. By going to your home dashboard, clicking My Jobs in the top menu, opening the Applied section, and reviewing the list, you can quickly see every job you've applied for on Indeed and keep your search organized and under control.